Video Q1 goes through the basics of pie charts. So let's start with a pretty simple pie chart. This is a pie chart showing the favourite flavours of crisps in a class of children. At the moment we don't know how many children there are altogether, but we can work out what percentage and fraction prefer each flavour. So if we look at the pie chart, the ready salted section is clearly 1/2, so that would be 50%. And we can put that down as a fraction, which is 1/2. Cheese and onion is half of that amount. We can also see it's a quarter because we've got this little right angle symbol in the corner here showing it's a quarter of the circle. So it's 1/4, and that would be 25%. Salt and vinegar and prawn cocktail are both the same size, so they're each half of a quarter, so each one would be 1/8. And that would make 12.5%, which is half of 25%. Now altogether your percentages should add up to 100, which is the whole, and your fractions should add up to 100, which these clearly do. The next stage is when you're told what the whole circle represents. So for example here I could say that my class has 32 children in. So the whole circle represents 32. Consequently, you can work out for ready salted, that would be half of 32 children, which will be 16. For cheese and onion, that would be a half of a half. If a half of the circle is 16, a half of that is 8. And then for salt and vinegar, you'd have half of that again, which would be 4. And for prawn cocktail, you would have the same as salt and vinegar, which is 4. These 4 should add up to 32, which they do.